Today we're gonna change the oil on this beautiful Ford Edge 2013. First, jack the car safely. Be safe out there. Jack stands and a stopper on the back wheel. So we're gonna use 6 quarts of oil, 520, and then we're gonna use these wicks here. So see this back here, round there, that's the bolt right there. It's a 15 millimeter, and then we have the filter out here. We're gonna take them both. There you go, look at that. I'm gonna try to take it out without getting this in my hands because it's hot. Okay, and I'm gonna do this. Now it's time. Oh, it is hot. Oh man. Okay. Woo! All right. Golden. Okay, now I got a rubber gasket that wasn't there. I'm gonna put in here, which is the most important thing. Okay, don't forget to tighten, but not the crap out of it, just enough. This here, you wrap around. If they didn't tighten a lot, we're gonna use it good, or I'll need the tool, the proper tool, but this is good. So let's do it. Oh yeah, look, it's coming off. So we are gonna be good. Drop for a little bit. Then I'll take it all out. Now the filter. We're gonna get the filter, and I'm gonna fill up with oil. Doesn't need to be like completely. It's gonna get a little bit, and then we're gonna get a little bit of this and put in here. There you go. Napa. That was the old one. The new one.
Is the door closed?
Go in there. Okay, we got it. Okay. All right, now we clean this here and clean here too, because I don't like to get my hands dirty. And then put it back inside. All right, now it's that time. And we're gonna do it, the whole thing. Oh no. There you go, and that's it. Now we're gonna start the car and see how the level is gonna be. But I think we're good. Did 5 quarts and half of the other one. So 5.5. You might need 1/2 more. Yep. So now we start the car, smooth as pie. Okay, leave it running for a second. Then we're gonna change it. We're gonna check it again. And if you like this video, ciao. If you don't like it, ciao. So ciao. And later.